तो भाई गिटार आ चुका है और इसको मैं करने वाला हूँ अनबॉक्स। लेट्स अनबॉक्स इट। हे एवरीवन, तो मैंने आज गिटार मंगवा लिया है। इसकी मैंने अनबॉक्सिंग भी कर दी है। तो ये रहा, ये एक बिगिनर्स गिटार है रिवेल का। तो ऑल ब्लैक कलर में है एंड मैंने इसकी ट्यूनिंग भी कर दी है विथ हेल्प ऑफ एन एप्लीकेशन कॉल्ड गिटार ट्यूनर। एंड तो सारी ट्यूनिंग मैंने कर दी है एंड मैंने एक कॉर्ड आज मैंने सीखा है, दैट इज़ ई माइनर, एंड आई एम लर्निंग विथ YouTube. I have no knowledge of guitar. I have never played a guitar. I have never even played any string instrument. मैंने कभी string instrument कोई play नहीं करा. I have played harmonium a little bit, very rare piano, बहुत कम play किया है, but play किया है. Piano मैंने play किया है and harmonium play किया है, obviously in school. So when we were in school, so we used to have a music period, maybe twice a week. So it was fun. Back then we used to practice ghazals and all, like I don't remember the ghazal currently exactly, but which ghazals we used to practice. But yeah, and I've always been fond of music, keen to learn music, and because I found it very interesting. Every art, like whichever art form it is, like even if it's painting, drawing, writing, I already follow since my childhood. I write quite a lot, whatever it's just story writing or maybe poetries or anything, whichever art form it is. I just like to be in that. I just want to learn that. So just love art. So basically I am a student of science. I've been a science student throughout my life, but I just love art, and I'm so inclined to learn it that I can do anything to learn. So I've just bought this guitar. It was delivered today from Flipkart. It is a very beginner guitar, not very fancy one, very basic quality, but it is good enough to learn the thing which is important to me. So it, it costed me around 1800, and this is from a company called Revel that I've already show you in the beginning of the video. So yeah, I've tuned it and learned the one chord that I mentioned, that is E minor. So I can show you. So and I learned all the basic things, that how to place your thumb on the fretboard and how to maneuver your fingers around it to play the chords that needs to be. So I just learned the basic thing. So this is how it sounds. So it is tuned now, guitar is tuned. So one thing I noticed, when if I don't have much knowledge of it, but one thing I mentioned, that when I play with my fingers, it just sounds different. But there is a pick, which we called it. It is called pick. So I'll show you. This is the pick. It is from its brand called Revel. So there is a thickness mentioned over it. It is of 0.46 mm. I don't know if you can see it. So it is of 0.46 mm, and it sounds different. So I was trying to mention it, that when you do the strumming on the strings, so when you play with your fingers, I think because we need to place our fingers so firmly on the fretboard, so we don't touch the other strings. So strings, yeah, now it sounds better. So I was trying to mention that when I play with my fingers, and when I play with this pick, it sounds different. Let's see. So it is E minor. I won't say that it sounds best, because I'm still learning. It's the first day while learning the guitar. I'm still doing errors while placing my fingers on the fretboard and strings on chords correctly, because I'm by mistake I'm touching the other strings as well. So that is creating a budge sound with this when I'm playing or strumming. So I will learn with time. So it needs a lot of practice. So it just sounds better with pick. I'm not sure about how what those have to say who are already a better guitarist or better guitar player. I'm not very aware of them, but I just my basic, like, that I noticed while playing, that when I'm playing, maybe there must be a trick, because I have seen in videos on YouTube that it sounds better while playing with fingers as well. I'm not sure if you can see that. Yeah. This is open chords. I'm not playing any chord here. I just uplifted my finger from the fretboard. So this was an open chord for sure. This was the chord I was trying to play E minor. Okay, so done for today, and I'll be posting the whole combined video of the unboxing and the first day what I learned. And I didn't record any video of tuning. I can like do that later if it gets untuned while playing a lot and while learning. So maybe next time I tune the guitar, so then I can upload the video. But for now the guitar is already tuned. It took a lot of effort because to understand it how uh, the guitar is tuned, what does it mean to be tuned. So there is a flow when we play all the strings in a flow. There is a consistency, a rhythm that we need to check, that what it means to be tuned, a guitar, what it means to be tuned. So that flow when we play, like let me show you. So when we play all the strings in a flow, it should sound in a rhythm, not buzzing sound. It should not be the buzzing sound. So that is what, when I first received it, all the strings were loose and not creating a good consistent sound. So this is all the tuners that is given there. So we tune it according to that by moving it clockwise and anti-clockwise. So okay, thank you for watching.